Hey there folks, Andrea Cox here with a quick recipe, just 3 ingredients for all of you to teach you how to raise your vibrational frequency with this living foods recipe. Before we get started, click that subscribe button and the see all button. Let's get into it. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some organic raw nori wraps. I get mine on Amazon. They're about $14 or $15. Really love these. They come in this green plastic here. So you're gonna need these. You're gonna need some mangoes. I love these little mangoes from Mexico. I usually get them organic. Want to make sure they're ripe. And then you're gonna need some kind of sauce or vegan cheese or something of that nature. Now, I love this Tree Line Cheesemakers cashew cheese. But I also really love this almond chipotle dip from Trader Joe's. I know Trader Joe's isn't ideal, but this is really tasty. It's vegan. It doesn't have too many seed oils or anything like that, so I really like using this one. Now, why do we want to raise our vibration? Why do we want to protect our energy? Well, especially if you're a content creator or you're doing a lot of things online like I am, people will be jealous and envious of you. There will be people along your path. Usually you'll have met them along your way or you'll have a mutual contact. Very rarely are they strangers. And I learned this the hard way. For about 11 years, I had 2 people, possibly 3, I'm not sure if the third one was involved, who were harboring resentment, jealousy, envy against me, and they were attacking me online. So what happened to me in my situation is I had a group of people, 2 to 3, really I think it was just 2 people, attacking me online for a decade. It started out as one person who, after I broke up with him, he came for me online with fake accounts. I'll never forget. This was probably in 2013. I was running a retreat and had never even had a negative comment online, had been online for years, like 6 years already, never had a negative comment, never had anyone calling me names or anything. And all of a sudden there were like 30 mean comments. And this was like a week after I broke up with this person. I was running a retreat. I had clients in town. I thought, okay, I didn't connect the dots then. I was very naive. I was very young. I definitely didn't think he would do something like that. I could not believe years later, finding out who was behind all this, that this whole time it was him. Eventually, this person got his partner involved on attacking me online, and it was really actually quite sad. I really didn't do anything to deserve it. For years, I thought, oh my gosh, I'm putting this out there and there's all these mean comments. But what we started to notice over the years, and it was actually my partner noticed for quite a while, he started noticing that these were all locked accounts. They were all accounts that were created at the same time, or we actually researched it, and they're called bot farms. What is so incredibly sad is that 2 people made it their life's journey to tear me down online. So once I realized that and I started calling it out, they started coming for me even more because I was speaking out about it publicly. So for years, I had these 2 people attacking me online from fake accounts, and it was really sad. I've been on the news multiple times at this point, come out in several magazines, had worked with celebrities and people just like you and I, and it was really a way to cut down my self-esteem. I guess they thought I was too egocentric or I was full of myself because I was putting myself out there and sharing my gifts. And so them coming for me was really targeted. And what we noticed is actually several people is they were also trying to mimic me and play the victim. And that just isn't going to work anymore. Everyone knows the truth. I put it out there. Other people know. Other people that have been involved with these people know. So with that being said, let's get into the recipe. So you're going to need these nori wraps. You're going to need some mangoes and some type of dip or something like that. Now, you can add purple onion in, you can add avocado. I like to keep it simple. So what I like to do is, and tilt this down, I like to just take my wrap like so, and my mango, and I just kind of line it with mango And actually this is empty. That's how much I love it. So we're going to do a little squeeze of this cashew cheese, which is also really yummy. And I kind of just spread that on like so. I'm going to roll it. They roll really nice. And then I love to put them in little squares. So a lot of times when I'm running errands, I'll make like 10 of these and I'll put them in a little glass Tupperware container and I'll just eat them throughout the day. They're excellent right after the gym. I'm always ravished after the gym, so I love these, and they're just really nice. And I want to talk a little bit more about why we protect our frequency and why we need to elevate our frequency in order to protect our mind, our heart, our body, our business, our home. You know, for 10 plus years, I had a group of people coming after me online and they were really cruel. It started literally the day I broke up with someone. He was doing it solo. I went to run a retreat, and at the time I didn't know it was him. I was very, very naive at the time. And I was running a retreat and I never had any problems online whatsoever. And I'll never forget, there were like 40 to 50 negative comments on a normal video. I think I was making like a kale hemp salad on Facebook. And they came right away. They had no following, no friends. So that was the first time I'd ever seen like fake accounts and bots. And it was because I was working with a guy named Robert at the time, and my ex didn't want me working with him. So he came after me and then blamed it on him. He said, "Oh, it's probably that guy you're working with." And that was the first time I was like, whoa, what is going on here? Never thought it was him. It went on for years. Every time I would be in a relationship, the person I would be in a relationship would get pounded with fake accounts. I remember I dated a male model named Dane. He got inundated with fake accounts. My partner, William, got inundated with fake accounts. So it was literally like 11 years of this. And then eventually you do your research, you hire forensics people, you really do your due diligence to find out where this is coming from. And I found out. And I think the saddest part about this was the triangulation, when these people actually tried to triangulate me and other people with other online creators. That was devastating. I've worked hard my entire life, and to have people try to triangulate me against people I don't even know. Recently, I connected with one of those online creators when I was in Texas. For people to do that is so diabolically sick, and possibly even, I don't know. I mean, they could, I don't know what they're suffering from, but that's what happened to me. So this is why I am so diligent about teaching you guys how to protect your frequency, how to raise your vibration through living foods, through getting sunlight, through moving your body. I went through this for over a decade. When you're young and naive, like I was, of course, you're going to run back to the person that you think knows about tech and online marketing to help you. And that was his goal. So that was his goal for years. And then he met someone who I think had their own secret obsession with me. She became jealous of what I had built. And, you know, when the mimicking what I had built didn't work, then she started coming after me as well. So, you know, this went on for years. I finally got up the courage to speak about it, and I was attacked even more. And it ends. It's over. I am so protected from all of this. I do not stand for any of this nonsense in my life. I will not stand for it. They know what they did. They have to live with that. They have to live with knowing myself and other people know what they did. I think the worst part about it for them is they know that I know who they really are, and they know that other people know who they really are and what they did. And even though they lied and manipulated their way out of it, and we didn't want to spend our hard-earned money forcing the issue, that might still be in the future. Because here's the thing, folks, when people contact you with crazy messages and things like that from these fake accounts, you can get who those belong to. So, we've already done that. We know who they belong to. What's really sad is that people actually do this. that people don't know the karma they're putting on themselves, their children, their family, that people don't know the karma they're creating in their life. So my goal on this channel is really teaching all of you how to raise your vibrational frequency through food, through fresh cold pressed juices, through working out, through, you guys, I am half a century young. I feel like I look better than I ever have in my life. And that this is without Botox, without filters on this. I'm filming this on my actual computer, so I wouldn't even know how to put a filter on it. And this is because I take such great care of myself. And also that lends itself to protecting my energy against like spiritual warfare, like witchcraft. I know this couple was into witchcraft as well. And I know for a fact from people that were around them. So these type of light, high vibrational foods will really help you combat that. Juicing will help you combat that. I'm Andrea Cox. Thank you so much for being here. Subscribe at andreacox.com to get your free healing protocol, your budget-friendly, healthy grocery list, and the Detox Intuitive to get your free spiritual protection kit. Be well.